Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to discuss which way increase your income. Income streams are the driving force behind your luxurious life. Everyone is addicted to money. Money can be the most important way to make all your dreams come true. Income is for everyone. If you have any source of income related to business, job or service, then there is an opportunity to increase income in some way. Let's see what the way is. 1. Set the goal and plan. If you need to increase your business or income, must have a goal and plan. Goal and plan is the first step for any business. You definitely try to create your planning execution and start the project quickly. It can be the best way of increase your income. 2. Research the option. Research your possible options, which options are best for you. Measure the options and get the appropriate way. It can be most effective for increasing income stream and for any business. 3. Find what you know. Find out what you know and how can you build your success. For example, if you are the perfect on clothing item sell, you must try to ahead with this knowledge and establish the career. 4. Think some differently. Positive effects of income growth by thinking differently. Know some unique things, which are new to people. Someone needs to learn something from you, teach them and get paid from them. 5. Upskill yourself and explore ideas. Don't decide to offer a service that is easy or good to earn. The current trend is paying well and so I am going to serve it. Don't make decisions by following other people. Think about what you want to do and then explore new ideas while improving your skills in that area. Finally, all are believed that income is favor of dedication and luck. If one always pursues their goal and establishes it, they can be most successful. But one who loses hope and abandons all dreams has to realize that in future. So try to make your dream and increase income easily. Never lose the hope, try the best. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, keep touch with us. Like, share and subscribe my channel.